Hi, this is Joby Goerges with Magnum Research Fieldcraft, and today I'll be showing you the assembly and disassembly of our 22 Win Mag bolt handle and bolt handle assembly. Step 1, remove the magazine and verify an empty chamber. Step 2, remove the stock screw. With the stock screw loosen, put the safety on the trigger assembly halfway between fire and safe, and then cam the stock back off of the barreled action. Next, we can remove the trigger pins and the bolt stop pin. With the pins removed, remove your trigger assembly. Next, with the action facing away from you, pull the bolt handle back with your left hand, get it all the way to the rear of the receiver, and lift up on the front of the bolt, allowing your bolt handle assembly to go forward. Then tip over the action and the bolt should slide out the rear of the receiver, and then you can take your bolt handle assembly out the ejection port window. To reassemble, start by inserting the bolt handle assembly through the ejection port window. There's a detent in the rear of the receiver that must catch the rear of the bolt handle assembly. Then sliding the bolt handle assembly all the way to the rearward position in the receiver, you can insert your bolt assembly, dropping it down onto the bolt handle assembly and allow your bolt handle assembly to move slightly forward to align the slot on the bolt and allow the bolt handle assembly to go all the way forward, closing the action. Next, we can replace the trigger assembly, making sure our pins are flush with the side of our receiver. And we can install our bolt stop pin, again making sure it's flush with the rear of the receiver. Next, we take our stock and slide it down over the trigger assembly, making sure that the trigger assembly is tight with the rear of the stock and camming it back down. We can then tighten our stock screw. Completing the assembly, we make sure our action cycles properly. We can reinsert the magazine, and we're ready to go. This has been Magnum Research Fieldcraft. If you have any other questions on our MLRs or any of our other Magnum Research products, please visit magnumresearch.com.